Baking soda helps in the natural relaxation of hair, although it does not entirely straighten it. It loosens and softens curls and helps to clarify hair by removing impurities, making hair sleeker and shinier. Baking soda is milder and safer than many commercial hair relaxing or texturizing treatments, but if used incorrectly, it can damage hair or irritate the scalp. Following your typical hair washing routine, wash your hair with shampoo. Towel dry your hair until it is roughly 80% dry. It will be tough to keep the baking soda mixture on your scalp if your hair is not dry enough. Combine the baking soda and conditioner in a mixing bowl. You can add nutritious oils like avocado, coconut, or grapeseed to this mixture or wait until the deep conditioning treatment is finished to add them. Depending on your hair type and scalp sensitivity, you may need to adjust the baking soda to conditioner ratio. To be safe, use less baking soda. It should have a rich and creamy consistency. Working from root to tip, apply the baking soda and conditioner combination to your hair. Because the mixture may irritate the scalp, do not rub it in. Put on a shower cap that covers your entire head. Wrap a hot cloth around the shower top as well. Tuck a hand towel, paper towels, or a scarf into the edge of the shower cap to keep the mixture from dribbling out. Wear the shower cap for at least 30 minutes. It can be turned on for a long time, but not overnight. This phase will require some trial and error until you find the ideal treatment time for your hair. If you experience any discomfort or burning, stop the treatment. Rinse your hair with cold water thoroughly but do not detangle it at this time. Deep condition your hair as soon as possible. If you haven't added the nourishing oil to the baking soda and conditioner combination, add it to your deep conditioning treatment now. Allow at least an hour for this treatment to take effect. You should deep condition for as long as you leave the baking soda on. While the deep conditioner is in, detangle your hair. Use a wide tooth comb to carefully work out any tangles. Rinse and style your hair completely. Tip: if you use less than 1/4 cup of baking soda, combine it with 1/2 cup conditioner, otherwise the baking soda will be too watery to be effective. You can gently exfoliate the scalp after applying the baking soda mixture to the hair. Take cautious not to overdo it, and stop if you feel uneasy. Because hair types and scalp sensitivity differ, keep track of your outcomes so you may fine-tune the method for your own hair. Warning: when compared to the natural pH of hair, baking soda is quite alkaline, thus using too much or keeping the mixture on, since too long will irritate the scalp and damage the hair. This therapy should only be done once a month. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for our next video.